How to manage multiple projects on PeoplePerhour. First of all, log into your PeoplePerhour account using your email and password. Go to the Freelancer activity page where all your active project, bids, and ongoing work are listed. This page helps you get a quick overview of every project you are working on. When managing multiple projects, start by prioritizing tasks based on deadline, client importance, and project complexity. Make a checklist or use a project management tool to keep track of all tasks for each project. Click on each project individually to view messages, requirement, and progress updates from the client. Make sure you communicate clearly with each client about timelines, deliverables, and progress updates. This prevents misunderstanding and keeps your workflow smooth. Use the work stream for each project to send messages, share files, and submit work. Keeping all communication within org stream ensures that everything is documented and organized for each client separately. Stay on top of deadlines by scheduling work for each project. Break large projects into smaller tasks and set target completion dates. This approach helps you deliver projects on time and maintain high-quality work even when handling multiple clients. Regularly check notifications for project invitation, updates, and client messages. Respond promptly to maintain professionalism and client trust. By staying organized, communicating effectively, and prioritizing tasks, you can successfully manage multiple projects on PeoplePerhour while building a strong reputation and earning positive reviews. Now you know how to manage multiple projects efficiently on PeoplePerhour. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.